Soft roll-up tonneau covers are affordable and easy to install bed covers for your 2019-2022 GMC Sierra. They protect your cargo from the elements and theft while maintaining easy access. These covers typically cost under $300 and can be installed in under an hour with basic tools. Recent improvements include better UV-resistant materials and pre-drilled kits for specific Sierra bed dimensions. Key components include rails clamps that attach to the bed sides with no drilling needed for most kits, a durable vinyl or polyester cover, and hardware to secure the front edge and tailgate. Ensure the kit is compatible with your Sierra's bed size of 5.5 to 8.4 feet and any integrated bed steps. Start by preparing the truck bed. Clean all surfaces thoroughly and measure to ensure proper fit for the tonneau cover kit. Next, attach the rails using clamps. Torque the clamps to 20 to 25 feet-pounds to ensure they are secure. Choose kits with quick-release clamps for easier installation and removal. Now secure the tonneau cover. Hook the front edge to the rails and connect the rear lock bar to the tailgate. Make sure the cover is evenly tensioned. After installation, test the cover. Check for water resistance and listen for any rattles. Also test wind resistance by driving above 60 miles per hour. Important considerations. The GMC Sierra has integrated bed steps, so the cover may need cutouts for compatibility. Look for covers made with recycled materials. Many helpful YouTube tutorials are available for guidance.